students of class 11 geography. We are in the part 3 of the chapter Biosphere. Today we will start energy flow in ecosystem. From energy flow in ecosystem, very important question for 5 or 6 marks, means broad answer for broad question. Energy flow in ecosystem. In ecosystem, energy flow is done by 3 main processes: acquisition of energy, number 2 use of energy, and number 3 transfer of energy. These are the 3 processes of energy flow in ecosystem. What are the 3 processes? Acquisition of energy, use of energy, and transfer of energy. Okay, so first, acquisition of energy. Which is the main source of energy? Sun. From sun we get energy as solar energy, solar radiation. Sunlight is trapped by chlorophyll present in the green plants, and that chlorophyll is used by the plant to produce their own food, and that food is stored in different plants, means different part of the plants. It may be stored in root, stem, branches, leaves, etc. And that food is the main source of food, okay, energy. And that food is taken by different consumers. You know, plants are the green plants are the producer. The food is taken by consumers. There are 3 types of consumers: primary, secondary, and tertiary. And the consumers eat the energy, and in this way energy is transferred from green plants to consumer, sun to producer, producer to consumer, and in this way the energy is circulated, and the total amount of energy produced by green plants is called gross primary product. It is called GPP, and after using this energy for its growth, the remaining that is stored and accumulated by the plant is called net primary product, that is NPP. Important for short questions. Next, use of energy. This energy is stored, transferred from green plants to producers. Means producers to consumers. There are 2 types of, there are primary consumers, secondary consumers. There are herbivores, carnivores. They use this energy for different purposes. And then transfer of energy. You see, the transfer of energy always unidirectional. That is from green plants back to the herbivores, to carnivores, omnivores, and downward. It will not go in other direction. It is only unidirectional. So these are the 3 processes. The next part is the Lindemann 10% law. So Lindemann, this 10% law was given by Lindemann, scientist Lindemann. According to him, in every step 10% energy has been reduced, and this law is called 10% energy loss. Next, concept of trophic level. The level through which food energy passes from one group of organisms to another is called trophic level. The word trophic level is a Greek word. Tropo means food supply. There are 4 types of trophic level: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next one is ecological pyramid. Ecological pyramid are of 3 types: pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy. And very interesting part is the food chain. Food chain, it is also important, and I think you know this. What is food chain and wave? Chain and food wave. Food chain means defined as a flow or transfer of energy from succession of organisms through repeated process of eating and being eaten. This is the process by which the energy is transferred, by the process of eating and being eaten. From primary consumers eat the green plants. Primary consumers are fed by secondary consumers. Secondary consumers are fed by tertiary consumers. In this way, energy is transferred from one trophic level to another. This is called food chain. And food wave is is the complicated form of food chain. It is very much complex. That is, it is not going in unidirectional manner, and it is means human being. Suppose human being, the food chain of human being is a food web. We are consuming the producer and means green plants and animal being at a time. So our food chain is complicated, and that complicated food chain is called food web. In the page number 124, you will get the differences between food chain and food web. Very, very important, and you have to read the differences properly. There are two types of food chain, three types: grazing food chain, predators food chain, and detritus food chain. Grazing food chain means it is found in from plants to deer, deer to jackal. Plants to deer, deer to jackal. Predators food chain means the size in this food chain, size and figure of producer and consumer tends to increase. See, plants are eaten by insects, for example grasshopper. Grasshoppers are eaten by frog. Frog are eaten by snake. Snake are eaten by peacock. That is, the size increases. This increase in the food chain where the size and the number and the figure increases in size, that is called predator food chain. And detritus food chain, just opposite, tends to grow smaller to larger. That is, decomposer to larva, then tiny fish, then big fish. In this way, this is the next part. And now go to page 124. That is the biome. Biome means the particular climate region where the living organisms, both plants, animals and humans, live in their distinctive physical climatic condition, physical environment. Examples of biome: tundra biome, where only tundra climatic region, where only the plants and animals accustomed with that climatic region can live properly. Similarly, equatorial biome, then hot desert biome, etc. And to more or less we are end of this chapter. See, there are exercise questions. You will write the exercise question answers and MCQ in your classwork copy. You have to maintain one copy, one from me and one from Manisha ma'am, and you will get one PDF attached with the video. You will get 3 videos of this chapter. With any one video, you will get the PDF attached where question answers are given. You should write down all the question answers in your geography classwork copy of mine. Okay, thank you.